Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to build a sales funnel with Builderall. Builderall is a comprehensive digital marketing platform that includes a powerful sales funnel builder. And in this video, we'll take you through the steps to create your own effective sales funnel. Now, if you like the video and you like the content, please remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Let's begin. So first, once we log in to Builderall, we have some options. Now, if we're looking to build a sales funnel, we can simply click on the Cheetah Funnel Builder. You can also scroll down and look here, you have your options, Funnel Builder. Okay, now once you click on the Funnel Builder, you'll be taken here to this option where you can say add a funnel. Let's click on this. Okay, so first thing, we need to give a title to our funnel. So in this case, let's try muscle mass. And now we are able to select a theme. So here we have some of the themes that are available. They already have a muscle mass theme. So maybe if you're into fitness or something like that, you could use this template and then edit as you need. So you can click on the muscle mass template like that. Okay. Now once you've selected the template, we can click on create funnel. Now we have this like template section. You can say start the funnel. So we can look at these various options and we can design the funnel however we need, depending on our circumstance or what we are trying to promote. For a quick step, we can simply go to blueprints. Here under blueprints, we have different kind of processes we can use. For example, a lead capture, sales process, a webinar, a membership info, and then we have some few other pages. So we can go through, let's try one of these sales processes. So here's a simple sales process. Okay, so what happens when we click on this? You see, now this is entirely built out for us. So once we say generate site, all of these various pages are going to be automatically generated for us, so we don't have to go in and create each individual page. Okay, we have our squeeze page / landing page. Once we get the traffic from there, it goes to a form, which is our list, our email autoresponder, which is included in Builderall. Then from there, we take them to a video sales page. And then from there, if they're looking to buy, of course, we send them to the checkout. They go through the process and then they go to the thank you page. Now, of course, if they don't go straight to checkout, they don't follow this process, then we already have their details here in our email form, and we send our follow-up, and eventually down the line, they potentially will go through this process. Okay. Now, when we're in this stage over here, we always have this option on the side, plus, so we can add any other additional steps that we like. We can add some images. Okay, these are just placeholder images. They don't actually add these specific functions. This is just for you to visualize. Okay, for example, we can say traffic, and we can say AdWords. Okay, we can put it here. So now we know that our sales funnel is trying to connect AdWords to our squeeze page. Okay, so here we know. So maybe if you're trying to send someone a visual of the structure of your business, or you're doing some kind of training, you can lay out the entire structure of your business with this. Okay, and again, you can add any additional steps as you need. Additional pages, thank you page, membership page, extra resources. Okay, great. So that is that step. Now let's continue. So from here we can click on generate site, and go to website. So now, as you can see, all those various pages we selected in the funnel builder, these pages get automatically generated for us. Okay, so we can go into these pages and simply edit it like any other drag and drop editor, and like we discussed in our previous video regarding the Cheetah website builder. So as you can see, this has already been added for us. Of course, we don't want to use this exactly. Depending on our product or whatever we want to do, we need to edit this content. Now again, this works the same as our previous video. This is the Cheetah website builder. So we can simply enter here, we can change the text, we can change the video, edit element. You can choose this video. You have to obviously load the video up on a link from YouTube. Okay, we can add different images, we can create our title, whatever we need to do. So this is the first step that your visitors will see. So you need to try to make a good first impression here. You can customize the text, the images, the layout of the landing page to make it as effective as possible. Now what we've learned is that simplicity sells. So you don't try not to make it too complicated, just get to the point. What is the benefit that your customer will receive from this product, and do they want it or not? So here we can see the other pages. This is actually the first page here, the squeeze page. We have the squeeze page. So here we'll collect their email address and their name, which will then obviously be sent directly to our autoresponder service. Okay, so here we can click on this, and here we can say set list. Okay, so obviously you need to create a list. We can simply say create a new list, and we choose in this case MB5. It's the latest update, and we're taken to our mailing bus. Okay, so from here we can obviously create a list, and we can connect it to our form, which will then send the emails that we've created. So first we take them to the landing page to collect their email. Then we take them to the video sales page, okay, to obviously try to describe the benefits of the product. And then we take them to the congratulations page, or the thank you page, after they have subscribed, and here you will give them access to whatever they have purchased or whatever service they have signed up for from you. Okay, so that is the next step. Now the final step of your process is of course to set up your emails and to build your email autoresponder. So in Builderall, we can go here. Builderall, of course, is an all-in-one digital platform, so it already comes integrated with an email responding service. We have Mailing Boss. So with Builderall, it's easy to create a sales funnel that will help you generate leads and convert them into success. Once you've created your sales funnel, you can track its performance using the built-in analytics tools, and of course we can follow up with our subscribers through our list. Okay, so here we can go to emails, and we can create an email. For example, let's look at this one. Here we have an email. We can simply edit, and it works like a normal text editor. You select each different element and you can edit the text however you like. You can add images, can add links, and that is how we create our follow-up emails. Okay, so that was a really basic tutorial on how to create a sales funnel using Builderall. It's quite simple. Of course, the first step is choosing the funnel builder. which will take you here. Here you can create the most intricate or simple funnel that you desire, depending on what you need. From there, we go to Cheetah Builder, and of course we edit each of these pages to look however we want, to design them in a way that would be most effective to sell our product. Then of course we go to Mailing Boss, we create our email sequence, and then we link our email sequence to our funnel. And then from there, all we need to do is connect a domain. So how do we connect a domain? Well, when we say publish, then we actually have this, and here we can say buy another domain at Builderall, and you simply go through the process of adding a domain to your funnel. Okay, so that is that for our overview tutorial of how to create a sales funnel using Builderall. If you like this video, please remember to share and subscribe. And if you're looking to get started with Builderall, you can check the link below. Now, of course, if you're ready to get started with Builderall, my mentor Chad has created a free affiliate marketing course that will show you how to build the funnels. It will give you some free funnels which you can simply plug and play, and you don't have to go through this process of designing and editing your funnel, as it's already been done for you, and all you need to do is import it into your Builderall. We also have some different trainings on how to get traffic in various ways. So if you're interested in learning how to make money online, of course, you're looking at funnels, and that is the premier way of using affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in a free course, check the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.